Hey guys, quick one. This one is actually directly with a partner included here in the video, but imagine you're coming to Australia, you're ready from Europe and the US to start selling over here. Best regards, by the way, from Darling Harbour in Sydney. Please excuse the construction noise in the background. I hope the microphones filter it out. But in order to get started into a market, and if you come over here and say you would immediately also need some funding, Choco Up could be a solution that helps you. And what I've seen and what I've learned from them is that they don't necessarily need your historical sales over here in Australia. All you would need is a small, like a private limited company or some kind of entity in, I think, Australia, Malaysia, Hong Kong, or Singapore, like us, and get started to sell over here, get started to get some funding. Quite flexible. Not the highest interest rates compared to, like, that's what you say, but compared to the other funding companies, of course, a bit more expensive than banks. And maybe you want to give a very quick, short introduction. Why should people get in touch with Choco Up? By the way, I love the name.
Hi guys, Bart here from Choco Up. So, Choco Up provides flexible and fast-free growth funding. So you can use it for your inventory, your marketing, paying your vendors like Signify, and there's no restrictions at all. And we can make it really seamless by looking at all of your sales channels across Amazon, Shopify, your big box retail, and looking at your funding, your revenue there to establish how much funding we can give you.
This is one of the things I really, really like. And it's not only focused on Amazon sales, because I've seen quite a few companies or funding companies who only look into Amazon and understand this, but also looking into Shopify. And if you're in big box retail already, I mean, there may be quite some money flowing, and some of the funding companies seem, for me, not to have understood this like that. This is business as well and profit coming from there. Plus the flexibility to say you don't have to spend it on products only. You don't have to spend it on sales and marketing only. What I like the idea was as well to say, you can start experiments with this and start selling, for example, on another channel, let it be, for example, Shopify, or do start some additional advertising with this money. Not bad. Thanks so much for the intro. Choco Up, again, I like the name of it. You want to give a short intro? Why Choco Up?
Yeah, Choco Up. So we wanted something that was different from a normal, something capital or something finance. And we thought Choco Up was something that gives you energy, gives you a boost of energy for your business, and also makes you happy at the same time. And we thought chocolate is something that everyone loves, gives you a bit of energy, makes you happy, and we're here to Choco Up you, give you the Choco Up to the next level.
Nice, fantastic. Again, it's seeing, like sitting here right now, there's back there, the ICC, there was the Amazon Seller Summit just yesterday, 2024. And we see a lot more people also focusing on Australia. And I mean, if you directly have a chance, and that's where we met actually, to have a look at quite some flexible and hopefully not the most expensive funding, go check them out. I hope this helps you getting a foot into Southeast Asia, Asia Pacific as well.